Hey everyone, it is Trevor Tropics WX here with another video. We have a Pacific Hurricane Season 2025 video to do. We have Tropical Storm Henriette, if that's what it's called. Yeah, whatever. Um, so yeah, let's get into this. Monday, August 4th, 2025, 11 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time, advisory number 3. Center location 14.8 north, 120.6 west. Maximum sustained winds 45 miles per hour. Movement west northwest at 15 miles per hour. So let's get into this one. Let's go into the discussion side. So as of right now, it has 45 miles per hour. In 12 hours, it will have 50 mile per hour. In 24 hours, it will have 60 mile per hour. 36 hours, it will have a 60 mile per hour. And 48 hours from now, it will be 60 mile per hour. 60 hours from now, 50 miles per hour. 72 hours from now, 50 mile per hour. 96 hours from now, 45 miles per hour. And 120 hours out, 45 miles per hour. So as we go into somewhere between 24 and 48 hours, it will reach its peak, and then it will gradually start weakening. That being said, we're gonna go over to Zoom Earth, and then we're gonna probably end this video off because this thing is not posing any life to threat. Hawaii, I would be aware if it does go towards you. Okay, so here we are. It has a millibar pressure of 1,004. Fuck you, SBC, anyway. It has a millibar of 1,004. It is what was it? Southwest of the southern tip of Baja, California. It is expected to be a 60 mile per hour. Still, Hawaii. I know you guys have been hit by stuff in the past couple days, but Hawaii, I would kind of be aware for this just in case if it does hit you. So yeah, we don't know if it's gonna pose any threat to Hawaii, but if it does, Hawaii, please be prepared and be aware for it. That being said, this is Trevor Tropics Zodiac signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.